Welcome in everybody to another episode of Hello Crypto. This one is going to be an XRP edition market update. All right. Short, simple. We're just going to go across the time frames of XRP and go from there. So this is XRP suppression continues. Okay. So we have not hit what we're looking at hitting. Okay. So daily, it says we're ready to go. Weekly, we're almost there. We're looking at closing out this week on the downside still. We still have a little bit more to go here for the visual before we can be able to flip to the upside, and also for the month as well. When we look at that visual, it shows a little bit more. So we're hoping to close out on the downside a lot lower on that monthly candle down here, closer to that $5 area. And then with next month, the suppression might start ending and we might actually start seeing some upsides. However, as it sits right now for today, we did have a little bit of a rally. Everybody's like, oh, we're going higher. The suppression's done. We're going higher. We're going to break $1.50. We're going back $2. No. I was telling my community that today, I was like, don't get caught in this. We are almost up to the max where we're fixing to flip. And I've been watching it, okay? The time frames here, I was able to watch it. We've had this order block that we've had called out here, the $1.47, $1.48, has been called out on the 15-minute time frame for, well, ever since what, the 18th. So we've had that one sitting there that we knew we had to come back and we had to grab that. Okay. So here we have that. Now, when I was looking at it, I was like, okay, we came up to the 1 hour pink line was where it was headed. So we rode up some trades this morning up to the, I think we took a profit at $1. I think I took a profit at $1.44, whatever. And then I did call one. I was thinking that, it was close to flipping, and it was right before the $1.47 area. So I was expecting, and not really to break $1.48 that much. I knew we were going to break $1.50, but, I did call that one stop loss at $1.48. We did lose on that one, and we'd moved it up to the $1.50. Been safe, but it's better to take and get in at a better entry and track back down. So I am in a short, riding it back down. So here we are. We went up to $1.49.27 a day, already back down to $1.42. What are we going to be looking at next? Is some more downside. So we've already hit the 1 minute pink line. Our 5 minute pink line is on the way. So $1.38 is another thing that we're going to be coming down to hit. We'll be seeing that 15-minute $1.39. That one's probably going to be hitting a lot faster than the other. But as we look at it, we've got the perfect part here. Green comes down. We did a pullback up to the green. Now we're riding it down, and then it pulls back up. It touches the green, and it's going to continue to pushing down. Visuals already telling us we got more downside. We know, looking at the daily, weekly, and a monthly, we have to finish out this week on the downside. So yes, there's going to be some little rallies, but don't get caught in it. Don't think we're going to the moon yet, because we are not. The visuals are telling us here on the indicators more downside, but in the future we are looking at seeing a pump to the upside and breaking away from Bitcoin and having our alt season finally. And it is lining up. When we look at multiple coins, not just XRP, the daily, weekly, and the monthly all are lining up exactly the same. So that's what we're looking at right now with XRP. We're still going to be looking at some more downside, what we can look at for tonight for our next little area of interest. As we come down, we're going to be seeing a good little take profit area around that $1.37, $1.35 area. This little order block we got right here, where you'll see a little bit of more pullback up on the 4 hour, because as we pull down, we're probably going to create an order block from this one coming down that we'll have to come back up and touch to be able to pull back down to this here order block at the $1.33, $1.32. So be watching for that tonight, and we'll do a new episode of Hello Crypto on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the others in the morning. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the morning, 6 a.m. Eastern. Let's go.